let me show you guys what we got going on today. Here we have a customer doing a full remodel on this beautiful property. So basically, we've hired our company to come in, remove floors, outdated things. We're coming in with our team. We're removing basically all of the appliances, kitchen, flooring, and anything that's outdated, and getting them prepped for their reconstruction in their recently purchased beautiful home. So this is what a heated floor looks like once you remove the tile and the concrete. All of these copper pipes that zigzag back and forth, they carry warm water, probably on a recirculation pump, and keep the floor warm for the customer.